Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel, and today is 2022, 30th of August. How to live trade Forex today. Alright, so let's go with in this session. I'm going to go into the planning. Alright, so I wanted to pick up the currency pairs so that I know which are the currency pairs that will fit into my trading today, and that will give me a lot of focus. Okay. Okay, all right, so let's take a look at what is the situation here. For Aussie, we are still in the bull. Well, currently the bull, we are now having some some of this retracement. Okay, so in the bull, there's some pullback for selling. So today, if we are going for selling, it is a retracement in the bull, so you have to be very careful. Okay, right? Yeah. So we got to be careful with this. All right. So tentatively, I would suggest that the Aussie CAD will just stay away first. Okay. Yeah. And the next thing to go is that for Aussie franc, let's take a look at Aussie franc. Franc is also in the in the bull. All right. So tentatively, I can see that some bull, which I see that it's not very beneficial to do up for selling, because tentatively it's actually building for a bear. All right, but then again is that I can see that it's actually heading for an inverse head and shoulder, so there's a support over here. So this is still good for buying, but definitely not for selling. All right. Okay, so how about Aussie yen? Aussie yen, we are into this level, whereby this level is actually into a very turbulent level where it may go either way. So in that case, I will choose to skip this. Alright, so how about Aussie Kiwi? Alright, Aussie Kiwi over here. Aussie Kiwi, we are still in the bull. So tentatively buying is still possible, but then again, just look out for the resistance. Okay. Alright, how about Aussie dollar? Let's take a look at Aussie dollar. Well, Aussie dollar, we actually coming back into the bear. Alright, seems like it's going to retest. However, it stopped somewhere somehow here. That is the support level. So currently, let's take a look. Okay, at this point here, from the resistance over here, we can see that from here, higher high, now coming with a double top, creating a lower high here. All right, so a lower resistance is being created over here. So over here, I can see that there's one resistance, and also the support level, we are actually pretty near. Okay, I would say. Let's take a look. Okay, so in this case over here, you can see that the support all the way until here. So tentatively, I will say that don't look at this support. Okay, I will be looking at the support below here. All right, so that will be much more accurate. So today, it actually got rejected from the resistance, and we still have about 40 pips of selling of space to meet up with to test the support to confirm the direction, whether it is going for a selling or it's going for a buying. So that will be a good one. Okay, so tentatively, let me put this Aussie dollar into my selling list. Okay, all right, so Aussie dollar, yeah, I will put this into my selling list. Hey, sorry. Okay, and let's see, what do we have here? Okay, well, Aussie dollar, I'm sorry. Okay, okay. So yep. So next to go, Euro Aussie, right? Euro Aussie. Today we are looking for a buy. Since yesterday we had tested the support and it is not breaking, and it is now still going for a buy. So look out for buying. Okay, buy for Euro Aussie. And for Euro CAD, the whole trend here, we are looking out for a bear. However, today it seems that we are going to retest the resistance first before we can confirm the directions. So Euro CAD is still good to actually retest the resistance. After that, we have about 82 people, which is good. However, today the situation over here is still like building up a buying signal. So I will prefer to see that we were going to skip this, and perhaps on the second half of the day, there may be a selling opportunity. Okay. All right. So how about Euro yen? Let's take a look at Euro yen. Euro yen, we are still in the bear. However, in this bear, okay, we are now escalating as a retracement. So is today a good day to sell for Euro yen? Okay, so I would say that preferably I would say we still have quite a fair bit to go. All right, we still have a fair bit to test on the HK can start selling. Okay, so tentatively Euro yen, I won't be looking at selling for now. Okay, for now. So let's see if the second half of the day or the next day, perhaps you got a chance to sell. Okay, all right. So Euro Kiwi. What about Euro Kiwi? Hi, good morning, Wasim. Namaste. Hi. So over here, all right. So in this case here, okay. What we are looking out for this at the moment, okay, we are now searching for Euro Kiwi, okay, for a buy. Well, Euro Kiwi likely is going for a buy. Okay, so this buy, it seems like now Euro Kiwi, okay, buying is still highly possible, which I think it is still good. All right, which is still good for now. Okay, buying for buyers, we can take note, but it's just that now we are very near to the resistance also. So this is one point here that we should take a look, right? So let me see. Okay, the resistance is actually okay, so pretty near. All right, we are quite near to the resistance. So yes, even you are going for a buy. All right, I would suggest that tentatively, I will say that it's good to take note, okay, of the resistance before you actually start selling. Okay, all right. So sorry, start buying. Okay, so yeah, so for euro dollar, right? Euro dollar. Okay, all right, euro dollar. Well, euro dollar. First of all, let's take a look at what is the trend now. Okay, what is the trend? Well, the trend over here, okay, is actually now the trend. The trend over here is actually looking out for a bear. Okay, looking out for a bear. So in this case, all right, if you're looking out for a bear, all right, then we are supposed to see whether this bear, okay, whether this bear is going to continue the selling. Right, so let's look at the resistance level here. Let's take a look. We have a resistance here. Now coming slightly lower, we have a lower resistance where the support still remains the same, no change. Okay, no change for the support. So currently we are selling from the resistance. So we got rejected from the resistance. Okay, I think that's quite good. Okay, we can put this into our watch list as well. All right. So euro dollar, we are looking for selling since there's a big space below. Okay, so I think today is still quite good. All right. So let's take a look at pound Aussie. Pound Aussie, we are on the support. Now it's retracing upwards, although we are in the bear. So today most likely going to be a retracement day. So yeah, since that's the case, then forget about this for selling. Okay, right. Pound CAD. How about pound CAD? Pound CAD, we are in the bear. Pound CAD, we are still in the bear. Okay, so right now, let's looking at pound CAD, we are still on the verge of selling. All right, so tentatively we are having a support over here. All right, this is very close. And we have a resistance up here. All right, so I will say that tentatively we are in the middle. Okay, we are in the middle of nowhere. So in that case, since we are in the middle of nowhere, then I would suggest we will give a miss on this. Okay, why is that so? It's because currently, okay, by looking at this point here, it seems like either go up to test the resistance or it will come down to break the support. Correct? So it seems like we are stuck in the middle. Alright, so in this case, I'm going to skip this. Okay. Alright, so how about pound franc? Alright, pound franc. Well, pound franc over here, we are in the bear. Right? Let's look at today. Do we have a chance to sell? We are actually having a support over here. Alright, hi Joey, nice to see you here. Okay, from Hong Kong. Wow, nice. Okay. So, Sawadee Krap Om from Thailand, correct? Okay, so yeah, at this for this pound franc, I see that we still have a bit of space. Okay, we still have a bit of space for about 28 pips. So pound franc, we can still look out for selling. Okay, we can still look out for selling, and I see that the selling is actually coming very soon. Okay, so this one we can take note. Okay, just pay attention to that. So I'm going to put pound franc into my watch list. Okay, and that's pound franc. All right, so how about pound yen? Pound yen. Well, for pound yen, okay, let's take a look at pound yen. Pound yen, okay, we are looking into this level, whereby this level seems like it's going to start selling as well. So let's look at H4 over here. Let me look out for my resistance. Okay, my resistance over here. Usually, okay, when I see this, okay, for now, tentatively it is in the middle as well. All right, I am looking out for selling because it's actually in the bear. Okay, it's actually in the bear for this area here. Seems like it's coming down to start selling. Well, to start selling, I need some concrete. Okay, I need some concrete movement to show that the selling is ongoing. All right, so right now seems like the selling is actually ongoing right now. Okay, as you can see, okay, we have been selling for the past 12 hours. Will it actually retrace up further? Okay, then we have to take note. So for pound yen, if we want to pay attention to this, we make sure that we have a chance to test the resistance. Then we will be able to sell from the resistance. Okay, all right. So for this pound yen, tentatively we are in the middle. Okay, we need to wait. So in that case, okay, I'm going to put this pound yen, okay, into the watch list so that later we can see where it moves. Then very likely we will know what it will come. Okay. Okay, so next thing to go for pound kiwi. Let's take a look. Pound kiwi is very choppy over here. So at the moment, okay, for pound kiwi, we will actually look at this pound kiwi as a buy. Okay, so tentatively I wouldn't want to sell it. Okay, I wouldn't want to sell it, so I'm going to keep it simple. All right, so pound dollar, let's take a look at pound dollar. Well, pound dollar today, okay, we are in the bear. We are still in the bear. Will this bear having a support to actually push up higher? Well, the bear has entered and meet up with the support, which is over here. Okay, and right now, as I can see, the price escalated and hover around there. So it seems like the price is actually consolidating over here. So there may be also a chance that it will start to slide down and then start to sell. Okay, so there is this possible. There's this possibility. Okay, so just take note. It may hover around here. Okay, so just hang on first before we take action. Okay, so I'm going to put pound dollar into my watch list as well. Okay. Okay. So yeah, next to go. All right, next to go. Let's see, what do we have? Next to go, we have dollar CAD. Well, dollar CAD over here. Are we going for selling? Dollar CAD tentatively, we are still in the buy. We are still in the bull. So buying of this dollar CAD is highly possible, and it is still good. Okay, all right. So now for dollar franc. Well, for dollar franc, okay. It seems like dollar franc, we are also escalating, so nicely, still on the moon, or still on the move to the moon. So tentatively buying is still possible, but not for selling. Okay. Well, dollar yen, all right, dollar yen, all right. So we are still in the bull. Yesterday, as what we are talking about, okay, it will hover around here. All right, once it touches this 1336. 30 or 31. Yesterday we were talking about it, right? So it will start to go up. Okay, so it's actually hover around this area. So taking a look at this, but in the general trend, it is still in buying. So for this buying, okay, seems like it's trying to break the highs. Okay, to go up to 139.7. Okay, perhaps 139.7. So this may not be very good for us right now. Okay, I'm not going to buy. All right, so neither am I going to sell. I want to take a look what's going on first. Okay, all right. Hello, Blue Square. Nice to see you here. All right, so Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin. We have touched the 19. then now it's retracing up, okay, towards the 2020. Okay, so at the moment we are moving up into 2400. Okay, 2400. So in this case, all right, so for Bitcoin, this is something that I will say that today we are actually experiencing buying. Okay, so I think the buying will actually go up to about 20,800 thereabout. Okay, so that then we'll be looking out for may look out for selling as well. Okay, so tentatively is for buying. All right, tentatively. Okay, so yeah, that's all for today. All right, so let me take a look. What do I have? Okay, in my watch list. Okay, so yeah. Okay, let's see what do we have here. Okay, so today we have this Aussie dollar. All right, we have Aussie dollar. We have Aussie dollar, Euro dollar, pound franc, pound yen, and pound dollar. Okay, so we have all these. All these are for selling. So guys, do remember. Okay, those pairs that we need to sell, do stay with the selling. Okay, if there's a necessity for us to wait for a retracement, then just wait. Okay, be patient. All right, so that we can get our profit in a very consistent way. Okay, all right, so I guess that's all for today, guys. Do remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because later on in the UK hour, okay, UK session, I will be in and having a live trade with all of you and discuss all these currency pairs that we have picked up. Then we will carry on the trading to get profit together. All right, okay, so once again, Aussie dollar, all right, Aussie dollar, and Aussie dollar, Euro dollar, pound franc, pound yen, and pound dollar. Okay, all right, thank you, CK. All right, so I shall see all of you later, and about another 1.5 hours. Okay, about 1.5 hours. So when the London session opens, I will be here. Okay, well, thank you guys. This is Everyday from ACS Learning Hub. I shall see you later in the London session. Okay, see you.